What happens when you sell stock on Wealthsimple? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about what happens when you sell stock on Wealthsimple. I know that this is a question that a lot of people have, so I'm excited to be able to answer it for you. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor. The information that I'm sharing with you today is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. What is Wealthsimple? Wealthsimple is a Canadian fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including stock trading. Wealthsimple is a great platform for new investors because it's easy to use and offers low fees. How to sell stock on Wealthsimple? Selling stock on Wealthsimple is easy. Here are the steps you need to follow. Log in to your Wealthsimple account. Click on the Portfolio tab. Select the stock that you want to sell. Click on the Sell button. Enter the number of shares that you want to sell. Click on the Confirm button. Once you have confirmed your sale, your stock will be sold and the proceeds will be deposited into your Wealthsimple account. What happens to your money when you sell stock on Wealthsimple? When you sell stock on Wealthsimple, the proceeds from the sale will be deposited into your Wealthsimple account. You can then withdraw the money or use it to invest in other stocks or assets. What are the fees for selling stock on Wealthsimple? Wealthsimple charges a fee of $10 per trade. However, if you sell more than $1,000 worth of stock in a single trade, there is no fee. What are the tax implications of selling stock on Wealthsimple? When you sell stock on Wealthsimple, you may be subject to capital gains tax. Capital gains tax is a tax on the profit that you make from the sale of an asset. The amount of capital gains tax that you owe will depend on your income and the length of time that you held the stock. Selling stock on Wealthsimple is a simple process. Once you have sold your stock, the proceeds will be deposited into your Wealthsimple account. You can then withdraw the money or use it to invest in other stocks or assets. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check back soon for more videos from me. I hope you have a great day.